Right, so we are... Oh my gosh, is that the right time? No, thank goodness. So it's 11:15, okay, so we've got a little bit more time now. We're just getting a couple of little bits ready. I can see the other brands are getting a little frustrated because they're dead excited to get the doors open for you, everyone here now, okay? So we're nearly there. Last little bit of a push, but I tell you what, there's a buzz in the air.
Nice control. Just spin around.
Ladies and gentlemen, day one of Wales and West Photography Show, and it has been a sublime day. Okay, don't forget you can still get your tickets here for Friday and Saturday. Tickets are still available. There's plenty of space for you, just about, and the deals are unbelievable. Honestly, hurry up, the stock is flying out. Let's do this.
Hey man, how's it going?
Very well, thank you. And I'd like to say thank you very much to Wales and West for having me here to speak with you guys today.
Are you excited for you speak?
I am, yes. You know, very keen to interact with like-minded photographers and to talk about our window to the universe.
Amazing. And are you a little bit nervous?
Not at all. No, bring it on is what I say. Bring it on.
Hey man, how's it going?
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
How's it going, man?
Off the cuff here.
How's it going, man?
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah, it's going to be good. I've been waiting the whole year for this. It's going to be great. Well, I want to see Fuji, I want to see Nikon, I want to see a couple of bag manufacturers, just to see what's going on. And Hasselblad as well. I want to just check out what they're doing. But yeah, I'm kind of curious. I haven't seen the ZF, surprisingly, from Nikon, so I want to check it out. Actually, I like the tactile feel of it, so I'm curious about it. And then I want to see the new Fujifilm, the X5 E5X. I can never remember the nomenclature, but yeah, it's looking good. Plus all the lenses. But I need to speak to Fuji. I need to have a chat to them. There's something I'm not sure of. Anyway, enjoy the show, dude.
Hey, how's it going?
All good, thank you. Yes, great to be here.
So, what are you doing here today then?
Well, we're at the Nikon stand. We've got a beautiful model called Chloe in today, and she is helping me with my wedding photography. I'm doing a bridal portrait talk, and in about 15 minutes we've got the next section of our talk, which is switching to manual.
Oh, exciting. So,
Yeah.
how have you enjoyed the show so far?
The show's been awesome. Really enjoyed setup. Now looking forward to seeing loads more people coming and speaking to us.
Has it been busy?
It has actually, yeah. There was like a huge line this morning, which was fabulous, and it's just been buzzing. We've been constantly busy, chatting with loads of people, and yeah, I can't wait for the next couple of days.
Hey man, how's it going?
Good, thank you. Enjoying it, 3-4 hours in and having a great time.
Yeah, so how have you enjoyed the show so far?
It's certainly a new experience. It's the first time Leica are here, but super excited to be here. Lovely to meet all the Welsh camera enthusiasts. Really great to just chat with people who have, people with Leica collections, people who are new to the brand, and just having a great time making friends and enjoying the afternoon.
Amazing. So what have you actually got here then?
So we have tried to keep things pretty streamlined. We have our main trinity of 16 megapixel cameras, so SL, Q, and then the M being our heritage model. We have some compact options here, so our new Lux Grip, the SO4, and the Deluxe 8, which is unfortunately really hard to get your hands on at the moment, but proving really popular today. For me, the story is all about M, so we have our M6 that was reissued in 2022 right here. You can see here Joe Greer and Paul Hepper, some lovely art that's been done on the M6. A camera we're really excited about to just get into people's hands, because obviously it's kind of hard to find that in the network sometimes. And, a couple of books. We have 70-year retrospective of the M here, unfortunately not selling it, but a lovely one to look through. Some work by Joe Greer there as well. And yeah, just really enjoying the day.
And should people come down?
Oh, certainly.
Hey man, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
You excited for the talk?
Yeah, a little bit nervous, but real excited for it. It'll be good to speak to everyone about my experience with weddings. I'm really good this year, actually. I've had a chance to check out the Sony stand. I've seen everything Camera Center. Got to play on that little Fuji X-Half. Yeah, some really good brands. Really enjoyed it. I'm going to be speaking about my past 10 years of weddings. So it'll cover kind of my experience, the highs, the lows, and everything in between.
Amazing. So we're here with Aaron at the Fujifilm stand today, having a look at some of the awesome stuff that they have here, including the X-Half, the XE5, and all the other little bits and pieces.
Yeah, we've got the X100, GFX 100 RF here as well.
You've got the GFX 100
absolutely.
RF, an absolutely beautiful camera.
Beast.
Which one's your favourite overall recently?
Oh, it's a difficult one to decide. I have to say, I am a big fan of the XE5 at the moment. It's just come out with the new 23 pancake lens.
I just tried out the lens personally because I do the YouTube for Camera Center UK.
Fantastic.
and actually took it to a festival,
Nice.
which was actually a hell of a lot of fun. And the camera is absolutely awesome. Do you want to explain a little bit about it?
So it's got our 40 megapixel sensor in, our 5th generation processor, so very similar to the X-T5 camera as well. So it's very similar in terms of its results and its quality. It's got the image stabilized sensor, but it's got the offset viewfinder. So realistically, it's like an interchangeable lens version of the X100VI that we've got. Same sensor, same processor.
Which is perhaps one of just your maybe popular cameras.
It's quite popular, yeah.
Yeah,
And
reasonably.
this is a very similar form factor to it. The big difference is you've got your film sim dial there, which is a nice touch. The viewfinder is brilliant, but you can put whichever lens on you want, which is also quite nice. So the f2 lenses are a good option.
Yep.
I mean, hey, if you wanted to stick 500 prime on, you could also do that. There's been a lot of interest, yeah. Almost most people that come over to the stand have been interested in this camera. Obviously, it comes in the black and silver, and that is the most important question. Which one are we going for? I like the understated nature of the black. If I'm shooting street, someone walks past you, you can't see that in the peripheral. This is a little bit more classic looking.
I think I like the classic thing. I think it would suit my other
Yeah.
camera quite well. But I am also very into my black camera.
You know what? If I was shooting landscape, if I was shooting that kind of stuff, yeah, I'd have the silver because it looks so classic. But for the street shooting and the subtlety, the black for me all day.
Are you enjoying the show overall?
It's brilliant so far. Yeah, busy.
Busy. Well, I'll let you get back to it.
Thank you.
Absolute pleasure talking.
Good to meet you, mate.
You don't want me on there, for Christ's sake. What do you want to say?
You enjoying the show so far?
It's amazing. Absolutely chock-a-full down here. Can't go wrong, can you? Can't go wrong. Some great bargains as well.
Who are you looking out for?
Having a look at the Leica and over to Canon and just have a look at some bags and things. Yeah, it's all great stuff.
Have you checked out Hasselblad?
I haven't looked at Hasselblad, but thanks for telling me. I'll go and have a look.
3, 2, 1. Hey man, how's it going?
Yeah, great, thank you.
Yeah, so what you brought to the show today then?
Well, we've got the latest two cameras from Hasselblad, the X2D, which is a 100 megapixel camera, and we've got the 907X, which is also a 100 megapixel camera, but this one can be used, the digital back can be used with some of the products that have been produced by Hasselblad many years ago. This, for example, is from 1980, and the new digital back can be used as if it were a film back with that.
How's the show been for you so far?
Fantastic. I haven't had 5 minutes to even get a drink of tea.
And have people been interested in Hasselblad?
The interest is phenomenal, and everybody's been impressed so far with the specification.
Must admit, I want to get one in my hands myself.
Yeah, well, the quality is superb. Once you see the quality of this product, you really will be inspired to take more pictures. That's what it's all about.
Awesome, thank you. Hey man, how's it going?
Yeah, good.
Welcome to the most well-lit person in this entire area.
Yes,
How's the show gone for you so far?
really well. We've got some really good offers on our lighting, and yeah, it's been really impressive. So we've got an amazing lighting display. We've got some amazing products out. The 4-foot tube in particular, got a great deal on that at $249. It's the cheapest in the market at the moment. So yeah, we're doing really well.
Amazing. So, some of the show, many people have been talking to you.
Yeah, loads of people interested in some of the stuff we do. So our tripods have got some really good action on. Everyone's really intrigued with the cob light and what that does. And scanners and binoculars, weirdly. Yeah, we've got a lot of interest in those. So all good. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good.
Yeah?
Very excited to be here. We are.
Very excited. Have you seen how busy it is?
It is rammed. The creator stage. Yeah, we were absolutely gobsmacked. How many people are sat waiting to just watching the creator stage? Yeah, it's amazing.
It's really awesome. If I'm honest, I thought it was going to be just super busy there.
Yeah.
When I saw the seating, I was like, needs to be more. But it's good to see that, you know.
Yeah, quite good. It was rammed.
You guys here to see anyone in particular?
Everyone. Yeah, we're excited to see a bit of everything. We never like to kind of stick to one kind of genre. We like to listen to everyone. So we're just milling about, seeing what we can find and listening to everyone.
Awesome. What's you talking about?
We are doing how to elevate your client experience.
Should we do that again?
Yes. We are. I forgot what we were talking about.
We are talking about how to elevate your client experience.
I'm glad I know that. Ready for tomorrow.
We've only got 2 talks on it.
You're excited for it?
We are excited. Yeah, it's going to be good. Now that I've seen
together tomorrow. No, I see the stage and everything. I am really excited.
It's going to be good. Yeah.
I hope you
Oh my God.
So Stuart,
Yes.
it's a good name. How have you enjoyed the show today then?
Fantastic show. Yeah,
Yeah?
fantastic show. Yeah, it's a great little show in Wales, and obviously I had my own talk today on the introduction to macro. Great response, great atmosphere, and just great company. And networking is really great at this show.
Yeah, the creative stage has really been killing it today.
It has.
So what was you talking about? It was about macro and getting into it.
Yeah, introduction to macro photography, where I talk about not buying a macro lens and instead buying accessories to get you to start macro. And of course, later on down the line, if you find you're doing a lot of macro, that's when you buy a dedicated macro lens. But very good feedback and response from the audience.
Well, the audience was massive.
Yeah.
I bet you were well proud.
I was nervous.
You were nervous?
Yeah.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
I'd run myself up thinking there's going to be 5 people there and 4 of them are my friends.
Any particular brand that you were interested in today?
Pardon, what was that?
Any particular brand that you were interested in today?
Home Systems, obviously. We've spoken to DJI about adding a drone to my package for doing outdoor videos, and just generally just chatting and having fun, basically. Yeah.
What has the atmosphere been like for you?
The atmosphere's been great. It really has. Yeah. It's like everyone's enthusiastic and really friendly. And I've spoken to quite a few people. Some people I know, some people I don't know, and they're all just friendly and really, really into the show.
Awesome, thank you, mate. How's it going?
It's going all right, thank you. Yeah, really good. I am ready for the talk. Yeah, excited. Couple of hours now. Yeah. Oh, I'm talking about hybrid shooting today. So using the camera to take images as well as video. And I've got some really nice little films to show music in the talk as well. So hopefully it'll all sound good.
I look forward to it. What do you think of the show so far then?
I think it's excellent. Really good attendance, isn't it? You know, for the opening day. Yeah, really a lot of people here and good exhibitors. So yeah, really
What's
good.
your idea of the coffee then? Looking good so far.
It is looking good so far. Yeah.
Excited to talk.
I am. Yeah, I always a little bit of nerves, you know, which is a good thing. Yeah, and excitement. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. Thank you.
Hey Richard, how's it going?
Yeah, good, thanks, you.
Yeah, so the show's got started. There's just a few people here.
Just a few, yeah, just 1 or 2. It's been hectic.
It has been
hectic.
absolutely hectic. Has there been much interest in all the stuff?
Really good, yeah. A lot of people interested in the new stuff, like the R50V, but also obviously the R6 Mark II and R1, even up to the R1. Got a lot of people interested in that.
Really? That's
want to
awesome.
try it out. Yeah, across the range, to be honest.
Amazing. I know I did recently just try out the new Canon V1 and all of that.
Yes.
Absolutely awesome. How have they been doing for you?
Yeah, if we had supply, it'd be great. So we should start seeing supply in the next few months. V1's really popular. Really popular. People who were looking at the G7X Mark III, and they're looking at the V1, saying actually that does what I want to do.
Yeah, fair enough. So about the V1, like, do you want to explain a little bit about it?
So yeah, I mean, it's obviously same sense as a G7X Mark III. It'll do all that and more with the video capabilities of it. So we see it as being for that kind of customer who doesn't necessarily want the still side of things, but is really interested in the video.
Oh, fair enough, fair enough. How do you reckon the rest of the days are going to go right here at the?
We're really excited actually because we've got speakers on for the 3 days. So we've got Ellie here today, Canon ambassador, and then we've got Helen Bartlett and also Drew Buckley as well. So yeah, we've got speakers on throughout the day, throughout the 3 days. Yeah, it should be really good.
Awesome. No worries. I'll leave you to it. It looks busy at the moment.
Brilliant.
Let's catch you a bit later on maybe, okay?
Cheers. Thank you.
Don't forget your mic.
Oh, yeah.
Get the mic.
I'd have been.
Where did I go?
Yeah.
What's your favourite part of the show so far? What are you most interested in seeing?
Do you know what? I'm so excited looking at the creative stage. I mean, the turnout's unbelievable. And seeing how excited everyone is about that space, it's just fantastic. So, you know, the creative stage has been such a positive vibe. That's just unbelievable. Nikon have brought their brand new tent. I mean, look at this thing. What a great turnout this is. Unbelievable thing. The vibes have been so positive. Everyone's so kind, saying amazing things. I mean, a little overwhelming to be fair, Stuart, but I mean, it's such a fantastic vibe here. I mean, look, the great offers are running up here on the poster. Canon have got a fantastic stand out here as well. They've got some fantastic deals going on. I mean, it's just an unbelievable day. But yeah, I think you guys should get down here ASAP. Let's do it.